If you've lost access to your TunnelBear account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the TunnelBear login page. Go to the official TunnelBear website and navigate to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your account to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After clicking Forgot Password, check your email inbox for password reset link from TunnelBear. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been misdirected. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Click on the link in the email to access the password reset page. Follow the instructions provided to create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your TunnelBear account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to TunnelBear's customer support for further assistance.